find it hard to clean that Weber Q, then this is a video for you. Don't forget, everything used in the video today, there will be links in the description below for the best place to get those barbecue products, so make sure you check those out at the end of this video. So it's getting to that time again, spring's coming, you want to get your Q out, but you haven't cleaned it from last year. Well, there's a quick and easy way to clean it, no paper towels involved, no gallons of water, really simple fix. So let's dive straight into it. But don't forget, everything used in the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those barbecue products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Enjoy that quick and easy cleaning. So as you can see, whether you've got the Weber Q, the baby Q, or even the family Q, it's really simple to clean. You can use Weber cleaner or use Selly's cleaner as well. I find that works really well. There will be links down below. And then just use that steamer to get all that grime down into that cleansing tray, give it a quick wipe out, and you're ready to rock and roll. For those of you who want to deep clean that baby Q, check out this video next. And those of you struggling for the perfect pork crackle, check out this video next. So thanks for watching, happy grilling, and I'll catch you next one.